Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you so simple, so fast crocheting, only 2 rows repeating crochet scarf. You can see puff stitch. You will use only puff stitch and single crochet. Only one side a double crochet we will make. It's so fast. I promise you will crochet one scarf in 2 or 3 hours. You will make it easily. If you choose a thick yarn and big hook, you will make it easily. It's nearly 1 meter and each centimeter is 20 centimeter the width. You can make which size you want easily. That looks gorgeous. I like it very much. Hope you will like and try. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful scarf. Let's start to crochet. I will use in my scarf Luna altın ilmek. It's 98% of premium acrylic, 2% of polyester. One ball is 100 grams and it's equal to 200 meters. And they recommend us using 5mm hook. Also, I use 5mm hook too in my scarf, but I use different color. You need for this pattern multiples of 5 plus 2. First of all, make a slip knot, then 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. You can add which width you want. You will add your chains. Okay, I will make 35 chains plus 2, so totally I will have 37 chains. I complete my chains and turn to you. I have 37 chains, multiples of 5, 35 plus 2. Then skip that very first stitch, insert my hook, second one, grab my yarn and make a single crochet. 1 2 3 chains, yarn over and insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn and lose it. 1, insert into the same, 2, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, 3. I will make a puff stitch here. I have 2 4 6 and 7 loops. Pull through all together and locked with chain 1. Then skip 1 2 3 4, insert into the 5th one and join with a single crochet. 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn and make my puff. 1 2 3. I have 7 loops. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Then skip 1 2 3 and 4, insert into the 5th one, join with a single crochet. 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn. 1 2 3 3. I have 7 loops. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1 and skip 1 2 3 4, insert into the 5th one, join with a single crochet. First row like that. Chain 3, insert into same stitch and make your puff stitch, then locked with chain 1 and skip 4 stitch, insert into the 5th one. I come to end and turn to you. I make my last puff, skip 1 2 3 4, insert into the 5th stitch. This is my last stitch, join with a single crochet. We complete the first row. This pattern repeats of 2 rows. This is the first one. I have 7 puff group now. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6, turn my work. Then come to this chain 3 space and join with a single crochet. I have a space here. Then 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same chain 3 space, grab my yarn, 1, yarn over, insert into the same 2, yarn over, insert into the same 3. I have 7 loops, pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Then come to next chain 3 space, join with a single crochet. That's it. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, come to same space and make my puff 1, 2, 3. I have 7 loops, pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Come to next chain 3 space and join with a single crochet. This is the second row. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Come to next space and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over and make your puff in the same stitch, same space. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1, and next space join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Come to next space, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, make your puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Come to last space, join with a single crochet, and we need to finish our second row as start. So 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over and insert my hook, this last single crochet, and finish with double crochet. So I make both two sides a space. Which chains you will make, it's not matter, but important thing is first row. For example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. Second row I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. Okay, first row always one puff group more than the second row. We will repeat this first row, chain 1 and turn my work. Not count that chain 1, insert into the same stitch and make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert your hook, first chain 3 space and make a puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Come to next chain 3 space, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over and make your second puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together and lock with chain 1. Come to next space, join with a single crochet. Keep crocheting as same as I come to end and turn to you. I come to end, make single, chain 3 and make my last puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1 and do the same thing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, as same as the first row. Skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth chain, join with a single crochet and complete this row. Again do the same thing, second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and turn your work, insert into the first chain 3 space, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same and make your puffs. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1, come to next chain 3 space, join with a single crochet. You will always repeat second and the third row, which length you want. It's so simple, only 2 rows repeating. I will keep repeat my second and the third row after turn to you. I repeated nearly 1 meter. You can see that. It's beautiful pattern and so easy. Only 2 rows repeating. you can use this scarf like that. I hope you like it and you will try. It's so fast crocheting, you will make easily one scarf in couple hours. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.